Qui est cette femme?
Who is that woman? Who is that woman?
C'est ma fille.
This is my daughter. This is my daughter.
Tu viens voir un film avec moi?
Why don't you come to the movies with me? Why don't you come to the movies with me?
Voulez-vous rester à la maison?
Will you stay at home? Will you stay at home?
Je vais vous accompagner.
I will come with you. I will come with you.
Je suis allée marcher au parc.
I went for a walk in the park. I went for a walk in the park.
C'est à vous de décider.
It's up to you to decide. It's up to you to decide.
J'aimerais prendre un café.
I'd like to have a coffee. I'd like to have a coffee.
Ils écoutaient la radio.
They were listening to the radio. They were listening to the radio.
Veux-tu m'appeler ce soir?
Will you please call me this evening? Will you please call me this evening?
Je suis de Singapour.
I'm from Singapore. I'm from Singapore.
Je prends généralement un bain avant d'aller au lit.
I usually take a bath before going to bed. I usually take a bath before going to bed.
Il a joué au tennis.
He played tennis. He played tennis.
Il a battu le record du monde.
He broke the world record. He broke the world record.
J'ai envie que tu viennes avec moi.
I would like you to come with me. I would like you to come with me.
Il est son ami.
He is her friend. He is her friend.
Je veux manger quelque chose.
I want to eat something. I want to eat something.
Prenez ce que vous voulez.
Take anything you want. Take anything you want.
C'est un petit cadeau pour vous.
This is a little gift for you. This is a little gift for you.
Il regarde la TV.
He is watching TV. He is watching TV.
Il est en train de manger.
He is eating. He is eating.
Tu peux aller à la gare en bus.
You can go to the station by bus. You can go to the station by bus.
Elle joue de la guitare.
She plays the guitar. She plays the guitar.
Où se trouve l'entrée du musée?
Where is the entrance to the museum? Where is the entrance to the museum?
Nous déjeunons habituellement à midi.
We usually have lunch at noon. We usually have lunch at noon.
Il s'est levé plus tôt qu'à l'habitude.
He got up earlier than usual. He got up earlier than usual.
Il ne pouvait pas comprendre la phrase.
He couldn't understand the sentence. He couldn't understand the sentence.
Mon téléphone est en panne.
My telephone is out of order. My telephone is out of order.
Je vais chez mon père 2 fois par an.
I go to my father's place twice a year. I go to my father's place twice a year.
L'hiver à New York peut être très froid.
Winter in New York can be very cold. Winter in New York can be very cold.
Je suis heureux de vous voir.
I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you.
Pouvez-vous résoudre ce problème?
Can you do this problem? Can you do this problem?
Prends soin de toi.
Take care. Take care.
Il est encore jeune.
He is still young. He is still young.
J'ai perdu ma montre.
I lost my watch. I lost my watch.
Il faut que j'y aille maintenant.
I've got to go now. I've got to go now.
Je commence à peine.
I'm just beginning. I'm just beginning.
Il est très déprimé.
He is very depressed. He is very depressed.
Lavez-vous le visage.
Wash your face. Wash your face.
Il ne fume pas.
He does not smoke. He does not smoke.
Il fut très heureux.
He was very happy. He was very happy.
C'est une femme riche.
She is a wealthy woman. She is a wealthy woman.
Quels sont tes points forts?
What are your strong points? What are your strong points?
As-tu fini de lire le roman?
Have you finished reading the novel? Have you finished reading the novel?
Nous résidons à proximité d'une grande bibliothèque.
We live near a big library. We live near a big library.
Où étiez-vous cette semaine?
Where have you been this week? Where have you been this week?
Je suis en train d'attendre le bus.
I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus.
Il a fallu 5 minutes pour arriver à la gare.
It took 5 minutes to get to the station. It took 5 minutes to get to the station.
J'ai failli faire une erreur.
I nearly made a mistake. I nearly made a mistake.
La voiture est très rapide.
The car is very fast. The car is very fast.
Je rentre tôt tous les jours à la maison.
I go home early every day. I go home early every day.
Je n'aime pas cette veste.
I don't like this jacket. I don't like this jacket.
Revenez demain.
Come again tomorrow. Come again tomorrow.
Il était patient.
He was patient. He was patient.
L'anglais est difficile à apprendre.
English is difficult to learn. English is difficult to learn.
J'adore cette photo.
I love this picture. I love this picture.
Je viens de Tokyo.
I'm from Tokyo. I'm from Tokyo.
Il veut nous revoir.
He wants to see us again. He wants to see us again.
Ce garçon court.
That boy is running. That boy is running.
C'est un livre.
This is a book. This is a book.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
What happened? What happened?
Il aime les oranges.
She likes oranges. She likes oranges.